What's good? What's happening, guys? It's Sam, MrBlitztek, and today we've got unboxing for the Litra Beam. This has come from Logitech. This is their light for your desk. So shout out to Logitech for sending this through to help us unbox it today. This is for creators, or I would even say just even people who just want a little pretty light on their desk instead of like a lamp or a ring light or something, just something a bit more smaller. So I guess we'll just dive into this box and see what's so special about this beam. Well, in fact, before we open the box, true soft, so not so bad on the eyes and that. It's got a desktop app, so you can control it from there. It's got a 3-way stand, so there's different ways of making this thing on top of your monitor, on the side, or wherever have you. And it's powered by USB, so if you don't have a spare plug, but you do have it connected to your computer, damn well works. Trusty knife. Guys, be careful, you know, when handling these things. I won't say I'm pro, but I'm all right. Let's open this thing up. Woo! And straight away, got the beam right here. Slot, really small, sleek. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this could be placed in many ways on someone's desk rather than trying to lamp it with more space on. If you flip it over, as you can see, it's got the Logitech creator sign. It's got places where you can put the arm, power button for more brightness or less brightness. And if you want it a bit more warmer or a bit more cooler, so compared to white light or warm, brownish kind of light. So obviously it helps with your camera settings too, so that's actually pretty legit that they've done that here. So yeah, pretty little light right there. This is a nice little stand. Nice little stand right there. I guess it could fit to more fittings. Oh, there's plastic everywhere. So yeah, we'll put that down for now. I'm guessing this is just more stuff to help. Let's see what's in there. To get the USB power. Let's put that there. More orange boxing. And a very, very hefty stand. I'm guessing this is where you can plug in or screw in to even your arm. So this fits quite steady into your desk. Yeah. Obviously it's got all the instructions you need there to assemble your Litra beam, but when you're the techers, let's try and construct this ourselves, shall we? Oh, sweet, sweet plastic. Yeah. Doesn't want to let go. All right, that is the base. That was easy. Okay, we screw this on here. Make that nice and tight. Voila. It's got a little groove there for your cable. So what we'll do is yeah. Now we'll just helicopter. Ooh, I like that. I like that. So that's now on. This arm does indeed extend. Pretty legit like that. In case you want it over your monitor or whatever. If we was to remove this, let's just remove it off the top. Helicopter. There you go. So if you want it on the side as well, you just do that. Just place it at the side of a monitor, on the top of a monitor. It's up to you really, and I think that's pretty legit. This arm can move in a various amount of ways. So just put the cable anywhere you need or want. Just make sure that's nice and tight. And voila, it's legit. Obviously we've got no power here, but you can indeed run the cable that would be straight up, wouldn't it? That would be straight up. There you go. It's got many grooves and stuff, so you can run the cable, disguise it. So if you love your cable tied in, that's definitely being kept in your mind. There you go. I think that's pretty cool. Sideways, let's just take this cable out. Or this ways, I think that's also pretty legit as well. Also, I just sort of plugged this now. Let me take this out. It's also got Bluetooth connection, so you need that. That's also there. Lefty, loosey, righty tighty. Gotta remember that sometimes. And it's got a screw here as well, so if you want it even further up, whether that may need be for, there you go. And so much height. So much height, even if you want to just, you know, put it down over your paper and stuff. It's pretty legit. It's pretty legit. We're gonna have to get some power for sure. We're gonna have to turn this thing on. All right, got it plugged in now. So let's turn it on there. Ooh, let's do it with the lights off, shall we? So now, even with the lights off, as you can see, if you're just studying in the dark or something, I wouldn't recommend just being in the dark like that. But as you can see, it kind of helps if you just want to light up the desk directly. And you've got, obviously, if you want to do it a bit brighter, this is the brightest it can go. I think that's still pretty good. It's the lowest it can go. Let's go to the brightest. That's pretty legit. And like I said, if you want it a bit warmer, there you go. And if you want it very, very cool, that's also pretty cool as well. So, guys, the Litra beam, very handy, very, you know, dynamic. It's got all the angles covered for you. It's got a lot of connections, and just a simple just USB plug or just USB socket can help you just get your light up. So if you've got creative stuff you want to record, you know what you have to do. Just maybe get one of these if this is up your alley. And yeah, thank you for Logitech for sending this over, because this light is actually pretty legit. Guys, if you do want to see more stuff from the Litra beam, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you tell me what you think of this light, and we could do some more videos. But until next time, I'm MrBlitztek, and I'll see you guys on the next level. Peace out, Rainbow Trout.